again everyone, JaLingo's proverb of the week is chicken merry, hawk the near. This means a chicken is happy but a hawk is close by. Other meanings, where there's too much merriment and excitement, danger lurks near. This also implies that even in the happiest times, one must be watchful. Also, be careful when things are going too good for you, as it is believed that it is always possible that danger is right around the corner. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.